Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Leo token at number 20. Stellar we did yesterday, so we'll move on with Avalanche, Chainlink, Uniswap, Monero, OKB, Ethereum Classic, and then we'll end it with Cosmos Hub at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Leo against BTC. Okay, so for Leo against BTC, we have a target over here, 9888. We had this target way back in June. We're still loyal to our targets. I think there's still going to be much more downside for Leo. I don't think we're going to stop at 9888. I think we're going to drive past through it potentially to the 0.618 golden retracement ratio, more likely than not. So potentially 7,000, right? We're at 14,000 right now. So this could be a 50% decimation for Leo against BTC. Leo against USD. We are coming back under the skinny pink line. We broke the skinny pink line, but boy, it feels like we're coming back down. So this could very well be A, B, C. Yeah, this kind of a chart pattern. We could be getting something like this, in my opinion. But I think there's still much more downside to come for Leo. I don't think we're done yet. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Leo. AVAX against BTC. Here we are for AVAX. Yeah, it's just down, down, down. Yes, we're already severely oversold. Yes, there should be some sort of a rally. We might be taking out these lows first before a strong rally, or we could just rally before taking out these lows. But I think more likely than not, we should be taking out these lows for AVAX BTC. Right? I don't think AVAX is done yet, and there's no no saying that we can't just drop lower and lower and lower. Right, but we're already oversold, so there should be some sort of a bounce soon, but we're not entirely sure, so we're not going to be rushing into anything for AVAX at this point of time. Against USD, yeah, we still have two targets here, $9 and 760. We're saying more likely than not, we'll take out these lows, and we have already taken out the lows. We're at 914. We're almost at target. We're very close to target, and I think that AVAX is more likely than not to overshoot $9 into 760. You can already see that we have something like a double bullish divergence, right? Lower low on the price, but kind of a higher low on the MACD and higher low. Wait, hang on, bro, wait. Let me just check. Higher low, yes. RSI, no, okay, RSI is not. So yeah, we could be heading towards 160. No clear double bullish divergences yet. So we're gonna have to be patient. Preserve our capital and wait for the opportunity to present itself. Link against BTC. Here we are for Chainlink. Yeah, we're still within the confines of the falling channel. Any clear signs of a potential bullish reversal for Chainlink? Not yet. Could we? Yeah, we could. Again, we're not entirely sure. Not much for us to work with for Link BTC. Link USD, not much as well. If I were to guess, right, pure guessing, if I were to be guessing, this could be a 1, 2, 3. This whole thing is a 4. We come out for a 5. Then most likely than not, there should be another wave lower for Link. I don't think Link is done yet. So yeah, be careful. Be very, very careful. Uni against BTC. Here we are for Uni. Uniswap. Okay, Uniswap's a bit scary. Why? Because Uniswap has two targets. One at 1,000. The other one is at 576. This is oh my god, I don't know, 65% against BTC. Can you imagine how much lower Uniswap is going to drop against USD? Uniswap got hacked or something? I don't know. So, I hope I'm wrong though, but for now the target still stands. Uniswap against USD, we have a sub $2 target. I don't think we're done yet. Sure, I could be wrong. There could be strong rallies the next day, next hour, next week, but oh boy, I still have a 196 target over here for Uniswap, and I still expect more downside. So yeah, be so careful. Monero against BTC. Here we are for Monero. Yeah, for Monero, we're expecting it to drop a little bit lower, and start curving after we drop. So yeah, it's we're kind of moving sideways at the moment, but at the same time, you can also argue that this is something like an inverse head and shoulders. We could be zipping higher for Monero against BTC towards the skinny pink line. This could already be the curve, but again, not much for us to work with, so we're not gonna be rushing to anything for Monero. Against USD, we have a $73 target. The two very nice chart patterns over here. A descending triangle. Again, this is something like a head and shoulders. Right. I think Monero is about to head towards $73. Oh boy, it's not looking good. I think Monero is gonna drop lower, so be so careful about rushing in. OKB against BTC. Yeah, OKB is right at the skinny incline. Oh my god, we could be slicing lower, but again, at the same time, we still have our target over here, 0.0033, right? This is a target from the ascending triangle that we got over here, right? Who's to say that we can't drop and still go up to 0.0033? But in terms of continuation, right, tradability, it's just not there against BTC. Against USD, here we are for OKB. Yeah, it's looking more and more bearish to me, right? It looks more like mountains than it does valleys, right? Every time we rally, there's a nice slap back down. Rally, slap, slap. We are going closer and closer to the skinny pink line. It could be slicing back down, right? Oh my god. We still have our $75 target. We still expect it to hit eventually. But again, just like the BTC pair, we could be slicing back under the skinny pink line first before seeing some sort of a rally back up. But yeah, in terms of tradability, it's just not there yet. So yeah, we're not going to be rushing into anything. But I feel like OKB is in danger of breaking the skinny pink line and breaking the support over here. Scary stuff. It's scary stuff, boys and girls. Ethereum Classic against BTC. Bro, BTC. We look at it on Binance. Yeah, it doesn't look good as well. We suspect that the whales were gonna take out the lows over here. 500, right? 574. So just a little bit more to go for ETC against BTC. Ever since crossing the skinny pink line, ETC BTC has been on a bearish trend, right? Just because we are oversold doesn't mean we cannot stay in a state of oversold, right? Yeah, we can stay in a state of being oversold far longer than what you can expect, right? So this whole thing again could be a gigantic, absolute gigantic A, B, C, right? This could be 5 waves down, maybe. Again, we're not entirely sure. So yeah, I don't think Ethereum Classic is looking good against BTC. You're gonna see it being reflected on the USD pair as well, right? It's looking more and more like mountain ranges. Mountains, even this itself, mountains. We were hopeful previously, right, that Ethereum Classic could break the skinny pink line and stay above it. We form an ABCDE kind of a chart pattern. We break higher, but it didn't happen. What happened? Yeah, we broke support. Yes, there was a strong rally, but the skinny pink line acted as resistance, got slapped back down. So yeah, the slaps are hard for Ethereum Classic. So we're anticipating more downside for Ethereum Classic. We're probably going to go back into single-digit territory for Ethereum Classic. So be careful while rushing to a trade too soon for ETC. Atom against BTC. Yeah, we were saying we're probably taking out these lows. We're very close to taking out these lows. So more downside for Cosmos. How much more? We're not too sure. But we like what we see though. We think this whole thing could turn into a very nice squeeze, right? Gigantic squeeze. Maybe in time for 2024, 2025 before breaking higher. Atom, maybe? Again, we'll have to wait and see. We have a target over here at $3.46, 350. Right now we're at 639. This is almost 50%, right? Almost 50% more for Atom, right? We're already oversold though, so that's why I'm anticipating the potential of a strong rally coming on. But again, we're not entirely sure, so we're not going to be rushing into anything, right? Again, the past when we were oversold over here, there was a rally. So I suspect there could be a rally coming on. Not too far away. Right, we might take out these lows first, or we might go very close to taking out the lows, and then suddenly we rise up. And this could be the formation of mountain ranges that could take us towards $3.46 potentially. But yeah, I'm banking on more downside throughout the cryptoverse into the cryptoverse. Throughout the cryptoverse, I think that yeah, more likely than not, we are going to see much more downside coming on. So be very, very careful, right? Protect your capital. Wait for the opportunity. I think we might even get Ethereum in triple digits. Again, I'm not exactly sure, but more downside is to be expected. So be very, very careful. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!